I'm going to show you how to do a welcome tab that reveals content to people only after they like your page. So this is the example on our Facebook page, and it's just a basic graphic that says like the page so that you can see the content. When I click like, and here's our content. So all I have here is a video with an image, because you have to have an image for the video to play, and I'll show you that in the code, and a little bit of content. So let's go look at what this code looks like. The first thing that you have to do is create your CSS file, and you can download this with the link that I'm giving you. There's only 2 elements on this CSS file. Of course, you can do more, but this makes it very simple for you to understand. The first one is the wrapper. This is the main wrapper that goes around all of the content, and you want to make sure that the width fits within the 520 pixels you have to work with on Facebook, margin 0 and border 0. You're also going to want to make sure that you have a position of relative, and this is probably the most important thing, because for non-fans you're going to notice that the position is absolute. So this is what decides where the position is loaded. The other important thing about the code, again, you're going to have the width at 500 pixels and the height. This is the height of the image that non-fans see. This is really crucial to make sure that it gets properly positioned. And when we go and look at the code for the page, you'll notice that I'm linking to an external style sheet. This is really important because some browsers are not going to load this properly, specifically Internet Explorer 7. It won't go out and get the code if you put it into the FBML. So you have to call an external style sheet. This can live on your server pretty much anywhere, and it makes it easier to update anyway. So make sure that you're linking to an external style sheet. Now we've got our first div ID, the wrapper. This is what contains everything. And you're going to put in the visible to connection Facebook code. And all this does is tell it that if they're already a connection, then this is what we're going to show them. We're going to show them the video, and we're going to show them a little bit of text and the form that we had there. If they're not fans, we use the FBML tag. And this is the div for non-fans that we created in the style sheet, and it's going to show them the content there. In my case, it's just an image that covers up the content. And again, you're going to want this image to be externally located. And then we close the else tag, we close the visible to connection tag, we close the div. That's it, you're done. Really very simple code. You can certainly do a lot more with this, but I want to drill down and make it as easy as possible.